it's become apparent to the whole world that viruses are in fact either the most important or an integral part in a multifactorial causation of many diseases, but very much in cancer. And in no way I wish to scare or influence or moralize or be judgmental in the behavior of any group or particular group of people. But there is no doubt that it will benefit people in their understanding that sexual behavior and the transmission of viruses during their sexual behavior and particular lifestyle may influence them getting malignant disease sometime in their life. We know now that 90% of cervical cancers were caused by HPV virus. The earlier a girl or woman has sex, the number of partners will, of course, increase the exposure. So we know these are all factors. But 90% of cervical cancers we know are caused by HPV virus. Now, this has led to this most important innovation, this most important progress, because we have a virus. What do? We try to immunize against that virus. And now it is known to every young girl, young mother, woman, GP, everybody, that HPV inoculation will prevent a cervical cancer in that patient's lifetime. Together with immunization, which should be given before the age of 15 years old, 13 to 15 years old, we of course have to go further with screening measures, and women should be screened for abnormal malignant cells between at least twice, but before 45 years old, and optimally twice before 35 years old, and any abnormal cells dealt with surgically. So it cannot be emphasized more emphatically, and how exciting it has been to watch in my lifetime the prevention and then the early detection of cervical cancer and saving these millions and hundreds of millions of women suffering from this awful disease. And this is all because we recognized HPV virus, human papillomavirus, and we developed the immunization. This is so exciting because we are well aware that there's circumcision in the Islamic world and other religions, but in populations such as India, where circumcision is practically never done, it's proven that there's a higher incidence of cervical cancer in these couples with uncircumcised males. But here we've got the vaccine. We've got the prevention. We're not interfering with lifestyle and mutilating operations on any group. And so we've really benefited the major population areas of the world and not interfering with their lifestyle. This what makes viral etiology, immunization, and prevention so very, very exciting. Thank you for listening. I hope you found this interesting, and if you did, please subscribe.